Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to insert SIM cards in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to the bottom side of your phone and see here a hole. In this hole, you have to insert SIM ejector tool. Bring SIM ejector tool. This is SIM ejector tool. Just insert the SIM ejector tool into this hole and push down into the hole, and the SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone. Just pull out this tray and it will come out. And this is SIM tray. Now keep your phone aside. Keep your phone aside. Here in the front side you are seeing one slot. In the back side you are seeing another slot. So you can insert two SIM cards. Okay. So in the front side I insert one SIM card. Bring one nano SIM and insert in this position. Insert in this position, and in the back side also flip like this, and then insert another SIM card, another SIM here. Now bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone. Okay, now bring your phone and insert this tray into your phone here. Yes, SIM cards have been inserted. Now check whether they have been inserted properly or not. Yes, two SIM cards are detected and they are showing here, and click on OK. So in this way you can easily insert SIM cards in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.